All right, so today we're going to talk about different tools that's applied to you with the drafting kit. This right here, this is the T-square. If you notice with T-square, it is shaped like a T. All right, what we use the T-square for is for drawing horizontal lines that are parallel throughout a drawing. Now, you can't just use a T-square by itself. You have to use a T-square with a drawing board or some sort of flat edge table. Now, at home, what I do is I have a desk, and the desk has a straight edge on the left-hand side, and I'm able to use it by putting the edge of the T-square, the black edge, against the side of the table, and I can slide it up and down. Now, the trick about this is I am a righty. So what happens with me is I write with my right hand, and I control the tools with my left hand. If you're a lefty, all you gotta do is take your T-square, flip it around, and use your pencil with your left hand. So for all my lessons, I'm going to teach you as a righty. All you need to do is understand that the T-square needs to be on the right-hand side if you are a lefty. So back to the left-hand side with T-square, and back to the right-hand side with my pencil. All right, this is the first step. This one is used to draw horizontal lines. It's the first part of your drafting kit. All right, when you look at your drafting essentials kit, you're going to have one of these for school if you're a hybrid student. And we're going to have something for home. Now, you all should have gotten your own kit. So really just the hybrid kids should be getting this kit. But if you didn't have one at home, I got you a kit to take home. So let's work with that. So when we open our kit, the first thing we're going to find is going to find two triangles inside our kit. Okay. Space the white paper down so you can see them a little better. All right, there are two triangles. What you'll notice about them is one is what's called an equilateral triangle, where you have a right triangle, I should say, and an equilateral because not all three sides are the same. You have a 90-degree angle, and you have a 45 and a 45. This triangle here is a 30-60-degree triangle. You have a 30-degree angle, a 60-degree angle, and the last one is a 90. If you were to add up the 90, 30, and the 60, you get 180. And we know that all triangles have an inner degree if you add up all three corners of 180, just like this one does. It's 90, 45, and 45, which equals 180. For this class, the majority of the time, we're going to use the 36-degree triangle. What you notice with 36-degree triangle is it has a longer edge off of the right side of the triangle. And that's really the primary reason you can use this for most of what we're going to use. And then we'll also later in the year, we're going to use it as a 30-degree edge. We'll get to that later. Now, also inside the kit of parts was an architectural scale. What you notice about the architectural scale is it has a triangular edge, and it has a bunch of different measurements, all evenly spaced, depending on which side you're on. For the first half of the year, we're just going to use a regular ruler side. That looks just like a regular 12-inch ruler, and it's got a number 16 in the left-hand corner. The last thing in your kit of parts was a pencil and a compass. Now, although we do use compasses for mechanical drawing, for this semester, I do not believe we're going to use the compass. I'm really not too into the pointed end of the compass and what you might stab it into at your house. I'm too afraid that somebody might point it into your dining room table or your parents' nice desk and then later be sad about it. So we're going to try to hold off on the compass until we get a better idea of how to use it. So just put that on the side, leave it in the bag, and don't take it out. Now, at the end of the year, you're going to be responsible for handing back your full drafting essentials kit. Right? It's going to have the ruler in it still, the triangles in it still, and the compass in it still. And then also, if you've got a T-square or a drawing board, we're going to return those also. And that's your kit of parts.